Okay, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log out of WhatsApp. But first, before we do anything, we have to back up our chats. So open up WhatsApp, go to chats, click on the three dots right here in the top right corner, then select settings. You will see the option for chats right here. So just click on chats and scroll all the way down until you see this option for chat backup. So click on chat backup and let WhatsApp back up your chats. So after we have successfully backed up our chats, we can just exit out of the application. And here's what you have to do. You gotta press and hold on WhatsApp. It doesn't matter if it's WhatsApp for business or the original WhatsApp, and select app info. Now from here, all we gotta do is click on clear all data here in the bottom. So click on it, and then we have to select clear all data. Now I'm not going to do it, but if this doesn't work for you, another thing you can do is simply uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp. So just click on it, press and hold, and click on uninstall. So those are the things you can try to log out of WhatsApp. Hope either of those worked. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.